Hi there, and welcome to our deep dive on the future of artificial general intelligence. Today, we're exploring three distinctly different visions from researchers and strategists who've shaped the debate around AGI's trajectory: Leopold Aschenbrenner, Daniel Kokotajlo, and Zach Engler. Each offers a unique perspective on how soon we might reach human-level AI, what risks we'll face, and how businesses or governments should respond. Zach Engler, now a chief AI officer, formulated his AGI timeline back in 2016, estimating a 2027 to 2032 arrival window based on hardware progress. Kokotajlo's warning centers on the alignment crisis. He points out that his AI-27 forecasts AGI leading to ASI by the end of 2028, with roughly a 70% risk of misalignment. He stresses that even powerful AI may pose an existential threat if it's not built with fully human-compatible goals and what he calls corrigibility. That's why he's calling for global governance and urgent alignment research. Now, switching gears to Engler's strategy, he sees workforce AI integration as key. Engler frames the workforce into three categories, which he calls the trifurcation of work: fully AI-handled tasks, human-centric roles, and hybrid collaborations. He really champions broad AI adoption across the workforce, saying it's crucial for preserving employability, boosting productivity, and letting companies scale without having to increase staff proportionally. With El Capitan's 2024 achievement of hardware processing speeds that match human cognition, Engler argues it's only a matter of time before software catches up. He believes that firms training large numbers of employees in AI tools like prompt engineering are the ones who'll thrive. So, let's compare these perspectives for a second. Aschenbrenner sees AGI arriving around 2027 with ASI by 2028 to 2030, focusing on the compute arms race and national lab security. His advice? Invest in compute infrastructure and secure those labs. Kokotajlo, on the other hand, expects AGI between 2027 and 2028, warning most about misalignment and deception. He calls for global governance and alignment-first research and development. Engler's timeline stretches from 2027 to 2032, based on a forecast from 2016. His main concern is economic stagnation or competitive failure, and he recommends mass AI integration and workforce upskilling. Each has a distinct focus, but all emphasize the urgency of strategic action. So what does all this mean for you? Well, policymakers and governments should really balance building out compute with protecting labs and developing international AI norms. For researchers and alignment advocates, the message is clear. Keep a sustained focus on making AI human-compatible before AGI arrives. And for businesses and leaders, it's time to accelerate AI adoption at scale, empowering as many employees as possible with AI tools to stay competitive. The final takeaway is that Aschenbrenner, Kokotajlo, and Engler each shine a light on a vital aspect of AI's future, so check out their resources. Engler's upcoming book will be a must-read. Their overlapping timelines, pretty much around 2027, make it clear that the time to prepare is now. Whether we face a crisis or an opportunity really depends on how well we balance fast compute, ethical alignment, and inclusive AI integration. Thanks for tuning in. Understanding these perspectives helps us chart a path that's both ambitious and responsible. Visit www.zachengler.com to learn more about Turning on Machines, his upcoming book on how AI will change the way we work, live, and love. See you next time.